Hi guys, this is Gaurang, and today is day 17 of doing the Python question practice in Geeks. The FizzBuzz program. Given n number, print the answer according. Okay, if the number is divisible by 3, print fizz. Divisible by 5, print buzz. If divisible by both 3 and 5, print FizzBuzz. In the case, the print number itself. If it not divisible by 3 or 5, print 7. Okay, so here's the question: if the number is divisible by only 3, print fizz. If only 5, buzz. If both, 15. If not, we print the number itself. Okay, so we'll see how. We will first make the both divisible by 3 and 5 numbers. Okay, if n if n modulus 3, comma, if n modulus 5, print fizz fizz bus. Okay, if the number is 15 like this, so it will first makes remainder 0, now again 0, and print fizz bus. If the number is 3 or 6, it will print fizz. It should be print fizz. So we'll take else function and print here fizz. Okay, and now we'll take the 5 divisible numbers. Elif n modulus 5, 0, print bus. Okay, and else if the number is not divisible by 3 or 5, so it will print the number itself. And let's run this code. Let's see how it works. Okay, so here how we learn the if elif and else statement. Here in the first if, we had put the 3 and the both 3 and 5 divisible numbers here. If the 3 is divisible, if the 3 is not divisible by 5, it prints fizz. If divisible, it prints fizz bus. If the number is only divisible by 5, it prints bus. If not two of them, it will print the number itself. Okay, so thanks for watching this, and goodbye.